Hello and welcome to Fahoody Adventures. Hello, today we are in
Setenil de las Bodegas.
and this village is the most Instagrammable and the most probably Instagram photographed village in Spain.
Yeah.
You'll probably recognize straight away. Why?
Yeah, you will see.
Here we are approaching the most Instagrammable place in Spain. Are you excited to see it?
Yeah, let's see.
And it's Christmas Day, so let's see what happens.
Yeah, the thing is, I don't have Instagram to post it, but it's
I
okay.
will post it
we
on
will
my
post
Instagram.
it in Fahoody Instagram.
Yes. Here we are approaching.
So here we have Fahoody taking pictures for Instagram. Did you take your picture for Instagram?
No, I took a video. I don't put
Oh,
pictures.
so you put a video.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, honestly. It's
it's
very nice and very beautiful.
Now it feels like when you're living under the rock. That's when you hear the English expression "you're living under the rock." That's what it means.
Oh, I didn't know that expression. So that means this?
No, living under the rock means like you've been living without any news. But also you're living under the rock if you're living in Setenil
De las Bodegas.
That's what it is.
Yes.
Living under the rock.
Living under the rock. I think it's enough pictures for Instagram or videos, and let's explore a little bit the city, no?
Yeah, I think
Because the village is very beautiful.
Yeah, but I think this is like what I've realized is like most of the photos I've seen are like just of this rock.
Yeah, this
and
area.
Let me take you to more caves. Look.
More caves.
So there's like there's houses with like they're like caves kind of,
Yeah.
and so pretty, and people actually living here, which is amazing.
Yeah, this is a village, you know, like people live here. It's authentic. Looks how nice with the Christmas lights, Christmas decoration.
It will be so nice. At
Wow. Yeah, at night must be super nice.
I thought if I'll walk here, I'll feel claustrophobic, but I don't.
Claustrophobic? No.
I don't actually.
Wow,
I
but
thought
it's
Look up.
amazing.
Look
up, yeah.
It's like a rock. What
Yeah.
if the rock falls? Would it
No, I don't think so. I don't think. But this, you know, is an amazing idea to make the houses just in the rock.
Yeah.
Under the rock, as you said.
You're living under the rock means?
You're living under the rock.
Now we're gonna check out Cueva Alta, la cueva más profunda de Setenil, which means the more deep cave. So let's see how deep it is. Beautiful view to show you. A little bit of sneak peek. There. So it turns out Cueva Alta is just a restaurant, but it's good for go for a walk and have a look. So what do you think of this town, Thomas?
It's nice, it's very beautiful, I like it.
Yeah. So maybe they have, is it a restaurant? But it looks very nice. Maybe we can check it out. So we solved the mystery. There is a restaurant, which we're going to take you later, which has the deepest cave. But first we're going to go see like, the Mirador, the lookout. And
The
look at
lookout?
the beautiful...
The houses are amazing. Yeah.
Is it a statue of
A statue?
Virgin Mary?
This is the Virgin, yeah, Virgen del Rocío.
Very nice.
Very nice, yes.
It's like a little bit like Albarracin. It's like a little touristic town.
Like Albarracin?
Like touristic town.
Oh,
in the sense.
in the terms of, yeah.
It's like Ronda felt like more like a city-ish. This is more like a small town.
Yeah.
So here we have the view of the whole town with the caves.
It's very beautiful. Very
And that's the
tiny
castle over
and
there.
beautiful village.
Yeah.
And
That's-
we will go to the castle, no?
Yeah, but first I want to go check out
The caves.
the cave, the most deep cave.
The cave in the restaurant.
Yes.
Let's go.
This has a new friend,
Yeah.
and it's a reindeer.
A reindeer tree. All the trees here are reindeer.
Yes, one by one. So far, I'm really excited to see the restaurant because it's going to show the interior of the cave, which is how probably some of these restaurants are. So we will try and see, like, it's a bit rude to us local people to see their houses,
Yeah.
but we can go see like the interior of the restaurants to see what it's like, the roof and stuff, which is really what I'm interested in. Are you?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's finally, it's turned out that the cave is this and the restaurant is this, and
So-
let's check it out.
Let's check it out. So how do you feel being in a cave, having a coffee?
It's very nice.
Have you ever been in your life?
Yeah,
doing
many
something like
times
that?
in different kinds of caves.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I've been to in Kenya as well. There was
In
a
a
cave
cave.
restaurant, very beautiful,
Wow.
but very expensive. I'm gonna throw this
To
in
the
there.
yeah. So this is the natural water coming from the mountain, and it's called El Pozo del Amor. So if you throw a coin, then you will find the love. Okay, now we are going to try to reach the castle,
Yeah.
and we are walking through this amazing
And later
streets.
we'll have an amazing Andalusian lunch.
Really?
Yes. I don't know.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we'll have food and like all our vlogs will end it with food.
Okay.
Museum of Usos
Y costumbres. That is the old traditions, you know, to make the things, the stuff, everything.
Oh, I love Andalusia. It's so beautiful. Really,
It's so nice.
I only, you know, the thing is, either we like really north, Asturias, which also starts with A, or we like Andalusia, which also starts with A, but it's right at the
So
bottom.
you only like the things that start with the letter A.
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 What
The
a
streets
beautiful
are
street.
so beautiful. I think to go to the castle, maybe it's this
Oficina de Turismo.
Oficina de Turismo, and the owner is Jesus Christ. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Agua potable.
Agua potable, you can drink it.
But it's there's nothing. This is a beautiful building.
It's a beautiful building, yeah.
Conjunto histórico artístico. Las piedras que veo aquí.
It's another looker here. Wow, look what an amazing street. Full of life, and there is a restaurant. We can check it later.
Yeah, and look the beautiful mandarin.
Yeah, the orange trees. Are you tired?
No, I'm really enjoying the steps.
Yeah, it's amazing.
So beautiful. And you discover new beautiful streets. That's what I love.
Yes, every street is more beautiful
But
than
the
the next
Mirador-
one.
La
Mirador.
iglesia está arriba.
Okay, let's go first here. So this is La Casa de la Damita, which is this cute figure. Looks
Yeah, they
very
make
very
love
old.
figures.
Yeah, and this is also considered one of the most beautiful villages in Spain. Uno de los pueblos más bonitos de España. But the most important thing, we are going to show it now.
So the best of Setenil is here, so am I.
Lo mejor de Setenil está aquí y eres tú. So we reached la Plaza de la Iglesia. This is the church, and the castle is just down there.
The thing is, like, you know, when you enter the town, you see lots of caves, but as you explore, you see like there's lots of streets with caves and pieces
Yeah.
of land above, it's like a mountain above, and you have the houses underneath it.
Yeah, the houses are built in the mountain.
So we will try
Not
to
in, no? On the mountain. Or in, no? Because it's like... It's so beautiful.
Bell is ringing.
The landscapes are amazing.
This is Plaza de la Villa.
Plaza de la Villa. We have been in Plaza de la Villa. And now we're going to show you the castle. So this is the castle. The tower of the castle. And now let's go to eat something. We are very hungry. What a beautiful aisle.
Yes. I think they have a bar here or something.
Yeah, I think they have a bar.
What a beautiful discovery, this town.
Yeah, this town is amazing. It's not only beautiful, the parts of the cave, the village itself is beautiful.
Yes.
So when we reached this village, you expected that?
No, actually, the houses are spectacular, the caves, and it's you know, if you come to this village, yeah, we did say that it's an Instagrammable place, which it really is.
Yeah, but only the
There's
part of
more
the
to
caves.
it. Like, you know, as tourists, we should respect the locals because they're living here. So make sure to always respect the locals and don't stop and let them continue with the daily
Exactly,
activities.
because people work and live here daily. So,
Mm-hmm.
so as in every of our vlogs, we always record a cat, and this one is not going to be different. So let's go for the cat.
And it's a fat one too.
It's a fat one, yeah. Gatito, gatito, hola, hola. So beautiful. It's not interested. Bye.
So the thing is, we made it to a less touristy part of town where there's caves and houses and people are actually living, and we're gonna go to a restaurant where people local eat. Well, it will be touristy, but not as touristy as where we were. This is the less touristy part, and look, this is more real. There's actually people living here, and this cave's above, and above that is like a farm for olives. Finally, we're gonna eat. That will be the end of the vlog.
Yes.
So while you enjoy the food that we eat, we're gonna say thank you so much for watching it, and if you like our vlogs, make sure to like and subscribe, and also make sure if you have any questions about this place, how to get here and stuff like that, pop the question down and we'll try to answer as much as possible. We always get lots of emails and questions about lots of things, and we try to answer all of them. So thank you so much for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.